Hi all, greetings from Cloudly. In this demo, let us do how we can migrate a wizard template from one org to another org by using CloudSync application. Before executing, let us have a brief introduction about CloudSync. What is CloudSync? CloudSync is 100% native Salesforce application. It is available on Salesforce App Exchange platform. It is the first App Exchange application that can replicate on-demand data between SFDC environments. There are few use cases for data migration. They are Sales and Service Cloud data, App Exchange applications, metadata and data, custom objects, contents, documents, and synchronized schemas. In the next slide, let us see what are the steps to migrate the wizard. In this slide, we can see there are two steps to do wizard migration. Step 1 is to execute the CloudSync template called Agreement Wizard and Wizard Setups. Step 2 is to execute the CloudSync template called Wizard Input, Control and Input Rule Set. Here we need to execute two templates as it has 3 to 4 levels of data. In the next slides, we will see what are the key points in migration in both the templates. In this slide, we can see the template name and the key points in migration are listed are the two migration queries, one parent and one child. So objects which are covered in two queries are wizard design and wizard steps. Make sure the migration templates are executed in the mentioned order. Queries can be extended to conditional selection. In the next slide, we will see the template name and the key points in migration are listed as the two migration queries, one parent and one child. Objects which are covered in two queries are wizard input, control and wizard rule set. So make sure that the migration templates are executed in the mentioned order. Now let us go and execute the migration demo. Before executing the template, let's go to the source and the destination org. So here is my source org and here is my destination org. We can see here there are no records to display in the destination. So this is my destination or CPQ train and this is my source org. So this is the particular record that I am going to execute from source to destination. So now coming to the source data migration workbench. So here are the templates that I have created. So this is my first template. I go and select. So here we can see there is one parent and one child query. So now I go and click on execute. So once I click on execute, we can see the results. Click here to see the results. So I refresh this page, take few seconds to see the record, all the records. If I refresh this page, here we can see all the success records. The status is success, and here is the source ID, and this is the destination ID. So now I go and click on the destination. Let's go and see in the destination. Let us verify in the destination the record is migrated or not. Here we see that the record is successfully migrated in the destination. So here we see that in the source org, here we see that we need two templates to execute to do wizard migration because it has 3 to 4 levels of data. So here is the parent and here is the child. So here is the step inputs and runtime inputs are the child. So in step inputs, we can see there are subchilds called input rule sets. So we need all these data to be migrated from source to destination. So that's the reason why we need to create two templates to execute the data. So these are the runtime inputs child records. So now I go to the destination, I go to the source and execute the second template. Let's go and execute the second template. So now I select my second template, wizard input control and input rule set. We have one parent and one child. So now I go and click on execute. Here these are the lookups. You can select the required lookups. Now I go and click on execute. In order to see the results, click on the green button click here to see the results. Once I click on this green button, here we can see all the records are successfully migrated from source to destination. It is the status success, and here are the source record and the destination records. Now let us go to the destination and see whether the record is successfully being migrated or not. So if I click on this particular record, here we can see the steps. So in steps we can see the subchild's call, in the child's call, step inputs and runtime inputs. So if I click on step inputs records, here we can see the subchild's input rule sets are successfully migrated, and we can see all the parent and child records are being successfully migrated from source to destination. With the help of these two templates, we can successfully migrate all the records, wizard records, from source to destination. Thank you.